But here we are. This is Sunday. We're out for a little stroll in the forest. There's Olivia, look. There's Amelia. Hello.
Yeah.
Are we going to get a Christmas tree in a minute?
Yeah. Can we film when we go and get a Christmas tree?
Yeah, sure, that guy.
Yes. Oh. Wow. Guys, we just saw a massive tree and we think it was over 1,000 years old.
1,000 years old?
It was massive.
Was it really that old?
I think it was.
Oh, right.
A shelly town.
There's old Brown alert. It's actually nice to see her smile for a change. Look
Hello.
look at the roots on that.
Dare you?
Wow, that twig is like bendable.
Oh yeah, it's all curved over, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go on then, guys.
Why is it all stony and back there was all muddy? Mummy, this is a secret way. Oh, think of the view.
Oh, smooth it then. Go on then. Smooth it then. Is it alright to smooth them? Are they alright to be smooth?
Yeah,
Yeah, go on,
fine.
Olivia.
Yeah, just never go behind them.
No.
Never go behind the dog. Always go in front because
Yeah.
they're just like human beings.
Go on then, Olivia. Have a
Yeah,
little-
you go. There you go. Here's a good boy, Ben. Yeah, that's Sack because she was born on a sack, and that's their mummy.
Yeah.
These are her two puppies.
Ah,
And
right.
that's Pan up there. But
See, look, Olivia, what I do is let them
Pan's
sniff you
got a
first.
different father than she had, so that's why.
Hold on, yeah.
Come on, Pan. Come and say hello. Pandy. Pandy. Come and say hello. Pandy. But they're Spanish dogs and they're very well behaved. Sit down, Pan, for a biscuit. Sit down. Sit down for a biscuit. Good girl.
Look.
Sit down. Sit
He's
down.
giving them a biscuit, Olivia. Do you like
Sit
do you
down
want to
for a
give him one?
biscuit. Sit down. Good girl. Sack. Sit down for a biscuit. Oops. No, she won't. Sit down, darling. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Oh, sorry.
They're having their little biscuits, look.
There you go. Right.
Go on then, Olivia.
Bye-bye.
Bye then.
Bye. Come on.
Oh, that was that out of the way anyway. I was just talking to Ron there, telling me about the experience about the dogs. He done a Ron on us, didn't he? He's going, yeah, well that one's Terry's nephew, that one's the Auntie June's cousin.
There we go.
How many dummies have you got there? 1, 2 or 3?
Daddy, I don't know where to put my stick.
Throw it.
Don't whack me in the face.
They hit you in the face in a minute and you go, whoop.
Mummy, I don't have to carry all chocolate. It's just whacking me in the face. Yeah, it keeps on whacking me in the face. Ow, 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 ow. Ow! I don't think I deserve that. Ow!
Come on then, take it out, because you'd just do it again, wouldn't it?
What happened?
It's just there. Someone dropped a zebra.
Someone left it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm coming from the home. Can I home and give it a bath?
Yeah, if you want.
Can we bring it home then?
Yeah, put it in the pushchair then. Because someone else sees it. If it was theirs or whatever, then give them it back, won't you?
Put it in the bread bag. Pardon?
In the back and then it won't hit me. Yeah, now it's whacking me on the back, isn't it? Ugh. Maybe if I put it on the side, it'll whack me on the side again. Put it in the middle, then it'll whack me. Tommy! Mummy! Pooey! Two Tom. Two Tom. Tutor. No. Because why don't Mummy not let me put it?
Get out and go in there, Amelia.
Where?
Water. Want to? I'll come in there with you.
Look, all you need to do, look, sorry, you don't have to just trip over there. Look, all you have to do is just walk. It's really nice. You can actually drink up. Don't. You can actually drink up.
What you got? What do you find? Media. Media, what's that? Let's have a look. Oh, where'd you find that? On the tree stump?
On the tree stump.
Oh, right.
And rinse out then, wouldn't you?
Million, trillion, billion.
I've done 100, 395.
Is that all?
He's going to show his now, Olivia.
You're not going to see it. Ready? Only 2,200.
Oh, you got a while to go then.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. Without you even knowing about it. You just walked into the car park, yeah, that's it. Do you want to go in there, Amelia?
Oh, good. Now. This dream is sweet. First one to get to the end. Oh, just black me. Sorry.
A little bit of water.